Hello. Please join my group. Hey, what you doing? What are you doing? Stop. What are you doing to the raccoon? Hoy, stop. Stop, bruh. Stop. You think you can steal this big stuff? Bro, shut up. I don't want freaking. Please don't. What the? Okay. I guess we are trading. Okay, what on? Okay, we're trading later. What happened? Please progress. Give me progress. Raccoon. Hey. I already know. I think he's gonna steal my farm, guys. So I need to clean. I need to clean. Oh my gosh. I need to join to my old account. So stay right now, baby. Right now. Just please like and subscribe and join my group. I will give 10 people cocoa seed and beanstalk. And let's climb this. I already climbed this, but we got the funds, bro. Give my friend Lucky Bee and let's check out his garden. He only have he likes the cosmetics update, so he buy 100 of them. So I don't know what to do. He got a freaking roach. Please don't mind me of that. That's a roach, but I don't know what it's called. Just commenting. I don't want the freaking hell steal his freaking fruit at. Oh, I don't have Robux. I just only have UGCs. Oh my gosh, I will show you in the end. Make sure to like and subscribe! I don't know why I'm laggy so much. Because my internet is not connected, I guess. So, clap it for me, guys. Clap it for me. And we are super close. We are super close. Yes. Yes. Yay. Yes. Boah. What I do. Chimpanzee ni banana ni. Make sure like and subscribe again so you can get the golden crate. And bro, how do you have a blue hand? I know it's lagging. I guess it's red like this, red like that. That's the biggest beanstalk I fought. You already know, guys. I'm the professional, like harvester. Like that. Professional harvester. Like that. You already know. I made the video call the Axer. Come on, who love the Axer? I will reveal my mom is face. You not see him's face before, so make sure to like and subscribe for our motivation. Okay, I'm done. Don't worry, the Roblox game. Let's click him right now. I'm going to YouTube. Please don't remind me of that. Okay, I think. Just wait, guys. I will come in 3 minutes. I need to get something. I will get in 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes, guys. So 3 minutes. Let me drink. 3 minutes. Permanently ban. What to? Kailan sabi dyan permanently ban? You know, like, you not see him. My mom face because I know I'm not recording so much. Okay, I will face reveal siya.
A guy.
Face reveal. Face reveal. Face video. Face reveal, bro. Face reveal. Mami, nalikod ka mo. Okay. Okay. You know, like, say hi, mommy. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I know. It's time to the race reveal. 3, 2, 1, go.
Face reveal.
Race reveal.
Ito na guys.
Ay,
It's time for face reveal.